Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Manish Sharma. So in this movie I am making a video of insertion short. In the previous video I have make a video about selection short. If you not watch it first and come to the next video of insertion short. So without wasting any time, let's start our coding. In the initially I am taking a function which have a name of insertion short. In then argument I am taking a n list, which is the full form is number of list, and the in between of the function, suppose this is the body of a function of I am creating a for loop have an index in range of 1, and starting from the 1, and the length of the ending point is n list. Again terminate it, and now I am passing the value to the current value is n list index, number of n list of index value has passed to the current value, and the now position is have a value of index. Okay, so now I am taking a loop which have a position of 0. In the my while loop I am taking a condition. In the condition, first of all I am saying that position is greater than 0, and n list position minus 1 is greater than the current value. If yes, then is come on to the next stage, which is n list position equals to n list position minus 1. Oops, minus 1 only. So what is the mean of that? The n list of position minus 1 means is the preceding value of the list. Okay, so is assigned to the update value of the position, and the next step is our position is have a value of the previous position, so it's a position minus 1, and then I am assigning again the value of a position n list position equals to current value. So our update position value is here, so if this position value is here, and the that position value is have a current value. So let's just call our array suppose I am taking a random number, which suppose 24, 12, 15, 36, 75, 66, 99, 88. Oh, it's something 88, 77, 99, 1, 2, 0, 3, 8, 7. So it's only a random number, you can give as your wish. So I am now calling our function of the above, and print that list for the function, not on outside of the print, inside. Why my typing is so marvelous? Yeah, and just call it. So it's given a sorted element of list, which is 3, 7, 8, 15, 24, 36, 60, 75, 75, 77, 88, 99, 120. Tested again. Suppose I am giving a descending number, suppose 99, 88, 77, 66, 55, 44, 33, 22 and 11. So now it's giving all the numbers in the ascending order. So this is the basic concept or coding of insertion sort in Python. So let's look our main animation of that code. It's an animation of how insertion sort is work. So it's first sorted the 6 and 5. So yes, 6 is greater than or 5, then it's sorted 6 and 5, and the next step is sorted the 3 to the first element of index, and is sorting the 1 and is come to the first element of index when they compare the both third element, and the next one is 8 is already sorted and it's come on to the 7, and 7 is sorted and it goes to the 2 and is compared to the preceding number. Now 6 is not less than 2, 3 is less than 2, then is sorted, come on to the second element, and 4, yep, 4 also is sorted to the comparing that both element of numbers. So this is the basic functionality of an insertion sort. I hope you like this video. So let's you soon catch you in the next movie. Thank you very much.